Howdy folks, Sasha here from TT Liquor. Today we're gonna do a twist on a daiquiri, and for this we teamed up with our friends from Cut and we're using their beautiful spiced rum expression. So I hope you enjoyed. Over to you, Kate.
Hiya, this is Kay back here at TT Liquor. Today I'm going to be showing you a really nice twist on a very classic rum cocktail. We are going to be making a spiced daiquiri. So this is just a classic daiquiri recipe, but in place of the usual white rum, I'm going to be using some nice spiced rum instead. And the first thing I need is some rum, and we're using this really nice spiced rum from the Cut, which has got really nice kind of vanilla-y, spicy flavour to it. Now we want 50 mils or 2 shots of our rum. And we want 1 shot or 25 mils of our lime juice. And we want about 15 mils of our sugar syrup. I'm just going to go ahead and fill that with some cubed ice. Give that a nice big smack to seal it. And we'll give that a shake for around about 10 to 15 seconds. Here we go. And then I'm going to double strain this into the glass just so that it's nice and smooth. And for a garnish, I've just got myself a nice little lime wheel. And that is our spiced daiquiri ready to drink.